So you should notice that they're asking you to use the SIM card. So in this case, the SIM card will be just coming here when you just open the unit. And also the SIM card you'll be using is a GSM SIM card. Please use a GSM SIM card. Now, after you have done the installation and you have inserted the SIM card, so I was saying that the SIM card should be coming from, should be a GSM SIM card. In my case, what I did, I went to a phone company. I'm in Canada, so here I went to Fido. So I asked them for a prepaid card, a prepaid GSM SIM card. I'm insisting. In my case, was a prepaid GSM SIM card. So it was like unlimited texting on my prepaid card. And then so when I came, I inserted in the unit, and then to make sure that everything was okay, so I started my motorcycle. I let it run a little bit, and I made sure that everything's okay, and that this small unit is getting used to this motorcycle already. So then now the problem was how I make this work. Now I know that my SIM card is there, the installation is okay, and the motorcycle is starting, there's no short circuit or something, and the unit is also getting used to the motorcycle. So what to do? I stop the motorcycle, and then this is now how you have to do what you have to do to set up the communication between your phone and this unit. So I'm showing you some instructions here. The first step to take is number one here, to set the APN number. APN standing for access point name, I guess. So each carrier, each phone company that's giving you the SIM card should have an APN number. So what do? You take your phone. You have to make sure that the unit that you just installed on the motorcycle is just on, and you know the power is there, the battery is charged, and everything's fine. So you take your phone, you send this message to the unit, meaning you send this text message to the phone number that they gave you with the SIM card. So the SIM card, it's a SIM card, so but it's using a phone number. So you sending this text to that phone number. So number sign 802, number sign, and then APN. The APN is the company, the phone company will give it to you, or maybe you can find it online. I find mine online. And then number sign again, and then username. You choose a username. And then number sign again, and then you choose a logon password. Thing to make it easy, make the username and the logon password the same. And the device password, in my case, I left 000, which is the initial password that's coming with the unit. And then don't forget, at the end of this, you put 2 number sign. So I'm going to show you what exactly I did here. So this is what I did. My APN for Fido was internet.fido.ca. So number sign, and then the username, I just pick up a name. You have to pick up any. So I just pick up ASCIAV, number sign, and then the password again, same as username, and then I put 000, the device password, and then number sign and number sign again, and then you click send, just the same way you send a message to another, another phone, or to a guy, or to to someone, and you should have a reply shown like this: config OK. That means you accepted the password. Otherwise, they're gonna be sending you a message saying password error. So in my case, it was okay, but I didn't get this right away. It was like I did it at night, like around 7 p.m. and he was not responding. I was like, this thing is not working, man. And then I wait, and then around 5 hours later, I got the message coming. Was like a password error, because the password I put a number like 1 2 3 4, and then I got an error. The next day, so the next day I went there, I started my motorcycle. I was like, okay, that GPS thing is not working. Okay, I don't know, I'll try again. I start my motorcycle and then leave it running like about, I don't know, 2-3 minutes. I would just trying to charge the battery, and okay, so I came back. I said, okay, let me send the message again. I sent exactly the same message, and after a minute, I got that config. Okay, I was surprised. I was like, how come yesterday was not working and today is kind of okay, just right away? And then I got this message. Now the next step, they ask me to use this number 6660000. Send this message to the device. So just same way, you just put a message. Message is like, so you're sending this message to the SIM card phone number. So you just put 6660000, and then you wait. So in my case, I sent 6660000, and then I got an answer right away, like after a minute. So I sent it 8 p.m. 37. So, and then after a minute, I got the message. I got the answer. But you should notice that the comment here is saying that after you send this message, it will return the device location, information, and Google Map link. Sorry, what you're reading here is just what I got online. So that came with the unit. So it's not me. Everything you see there, it's saying it will return the device, the current location information, and Google Map links. Not me. So I noticed that the map is not coming with this. As you can see here, you're getting a link, but you're not getting a map. Now they also is saying that you should be sending an 888-0000. Send this message to the SIM card, and so after sending this message, you should have a reply returning again the current geographical Google Map link. This is right. So after sending 888-0000, so I sent 888-0000, and then I got this link. Now you should notice that on this link, so inside there you have MCC number, you have MNC number, you have LAC number, and then you have a cell ID number. This is where the problem is coming. So some people, when they get this link, they try to find a map, and then they can't find a map, and then they drop it. And in my case, I didn't drop it. I wanted to know to get the relocation from this link. Now I'm gonna show you what to do. I'm the man. So I went online trying to find map location with the GSM cell ID. So this ID, cell ID, and the MCC, the MNC number, and the LAC, and the cell ID number is just the one here on this link here. So, and then I went online and found this website where I was able to translate my parameters information I have there from the link that came from my SIM card into a real location. So clicking on this link, so clicking on that link, I got this. So when you go, there are some other website that I saw that it's also doing the same thing, but this one was the first one I saw, and then I put my information here. So putting my information here, let me show you what I did here. So guys, I put all my numbers. I put my MCC number, MNC, LEC, cell ID number, and then I just deleted everything, just clicking on this. So just 4 parameters that are coming from my link. So and then just click send, and then it gave me this. Yes. So this was the exact location where I was standing at that moment. So I just took my motorcycle out somewhere, and then I was, riding my motorcycle, and I got somewhere, I used my phone. I said, okay, let me try this. And I tried this. It was exactly the same location where I was. Yeah, so guys, this seemed to work.